Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock or hide your notes on Google Keep account. Keep watching the video till the end. To lock or hide your Google Keep notes, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google Keep application. The home page of Google Keep application will appear on the screen. From the home page, long press on the notes that you'd like to hide or lock. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and from the displayed options, click on Archive. This is how you can hide your notes on Google Keep quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.